A'udhu Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Nazir Ahmad Wani, Master High School, Gunchpudra. Today I am delivering a lesson for class 10th, subject biology. My topic is effect of man's activities on ecosystem. Some of the man's activities like hunting of various animals disrupts the food chains in which these animals normally take part. This disruption of one food chain affects the numerous other food chains operating in the food web. The shortening of food chains due to man's activities like hunting leads to an imbalance in the functioning of an ecosystem and ultimately in the functioning of the whole biosphere. The effect of man's activities on functioning of an ecosystem will become more clear from the following examples. The formation of Sahara Desert is an example of the ill effect of man's activities on the delicately balanced ecosystem. When the Romans started capturing lions, the population of lions in the forest was reduced to a large extent. Lion is a predator which kills the herbivorous animals like deer, sheep, goat, buffalo, etc. Now, since the population of predator lion decreased, there was no one to kill the herbivorous animals. Due to this, the population of herbivorous animals increased rapidly. The large population of these herbivorous animals ate up all the vegetation, plant material in that region, turning the lush green forests into vast desert called Sahara Desert. Our own Rajasthan Desert was formed as a result of overgrazing of vegetation by progressively increasing tribes of herbivorous animals which occurred due to the reduction of predator population of lions because of excessive hunting and capturing. Let us take an example of food chain: grass eaten by deer, eaten by lion. If all the lions are removed in a forest by killing or capturing, then there will be no predator control over the population of deer. Due to this, the population of deer will increase greatly. Deer eats grass, so an increase in deer population will lead to an excessive grazing of grass. The density of producers like grass will be very much reduced. Overgrazing may even eliminate the grass and other green plants completely and turn the lush green forest into a desert. If all the deer are removed, the deer population from a forest is removed, then there will not be sufficient food for the lions. Some of the lions will die because of starvation, and hence the population of lions will decrease. The decrease in the population of lions will disturb other food chains in which lions operate. If all the producers are removed, then no deer or lion or any other organism will be able to exist. This is because the food and energy necessary for sustaining life is derived from the producer organisms like grass, plants, and other their products. That